Blackboard assessments allow you to evaluate skills and knowledge in a formal or informal educational setting, offering a flexible way to improve feedback and supporting greater accessibility of traditional models and improving the students' teaching and learning experience. The assessments available through Blackboard vary from quizzes, tests where grades are recorded in Blackboard's gradebook, self-tests allowing students to test their own understanding of knowledge and course content, surveys which are ideal for seeking students' views and opinions. Blackboard assessments introduce a rich range of question types, from multiple choice, multiple response, fill in the blanks, essay questions, true, false, and matching amongst others. Grades are assigned to questions and quizzes are graded automatically. All questions are saved in the question database tool, which allows for easy retrieval and reusage of questions. The Assessment Manager tool allows you to view and grade student submissions and run reports to compare the performance of students. We'll be briefly looking into 3 different examples of Blackboard assessments. Self-tests have proven very appealing to our students and a most effective way for them to assess their knowledge and understanding. Academics, following their weekly face-to-face lectures, release short self-tests or quizzes that help students assess their learning. An academic who makes heavy use of self-tests quotes that tests administered through Blackboard were scored automatically and feedback was delivered to students immediately and available 24/7. A great feature is the ability to add comments to questions, provide general feedback and learning tips. Statistics make it easier to identify weaker areas, thus allowing me to tailor provision with need. The second example we will be looking into are formal exams. Academic members have been moving into online formal exams, especially useful for subjects that lend themselves to multiple choice questions. Students are provided with a practice exam prior to the formal one, and submissions are graded automatically and saved in the gradebook. Blackboard settings such as password protecting the exam and using a customized browser that locks down the testing environment, along with following university exam policies and contingencies, assure for a secure environment, although technical failures should always be considered. Surveys. The BP programs held at Manchester Business School, surveys are used to gain regular feedback from students in order to continually improve the programs. Each survey consists of 6 multiple choice questions and 2 open-ended responses to provide both qualitative and quantitative feedback. Submission is anonymous to encourage honest feedback from delegates. No grades are assigned to surveys, and although they are anonymous, the instructor can see whether students have completed a survey. The CSV data is downloaded from Blackboard and copied into a pre-made Excel template for processing. This processing strips it down to the score and calculates an average. This is put into charts and used in various reports for comparative reports across cohorts. A total of 12 cohorts have so far gone through the programs. This gives a substantial amount of data to compare and is invaluable for program improvement. Qualitative comments are compiled into a report and sent to the University of Manchester leadership team and to the session leader. The reports are reviewed and have been very important to the programs. Lecture sessions have been dropped, moved and significantly changed due to scores and comments. Amongst the strengths of Blackboard assessments are that it requires minor development effort, automated marking, reduced administrative burden, geographic access and time flexibility, plus the added benefits of linking to other Blackboard tools and the reporting features. Weaknesses mainly focus on technological failures such as Blackboard downtime and some known bugs. And despite the strengths of the reporting features and question types, both could do with some advancements. If you would like to use Blackboard assessments for any formative, diagnostic or summative assessment, please get in touch with your school or faculty e-learning team.